diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, unexplained weight loss, and oily stools.
And EPI symptoms can be confused with those of other common digestive conditions, like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's, and celiac disease.
So getting to the right diagnosis meant being more open with my doctor about the severity of my symptoms and how often they were happening.
But there's good news. EPI is manageable, so don't wait any longer. Use the symptom checker at identifyepi.com and schedule a visit or call with your doctor to ask, "Could I have EPI?"
Brought to you by AbbVie.
For the latest news, sports, and weather information under one roof, go to kdkaradio.com, presented by NASCO Roofing, 412-373-2000. The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Hi, this is Overwatch Running Coral Zachariah.
Alright. Now let's turn this flashlight off and wait for WAHC, which is currently not responding to me. Well, here goes WAHC.